Welcome to Network Marketing Pro. My name is Eric Worre, and tomorrow, someday, next week, this is the language that I hear a lot in network marketing. Tomorrow I'm going to get started. Tomorrow I'm going to schedule some appointments. After the weekend, I'm really going to kick it. When the new month starts, I'm going to make it happen. Once I get past this birthday, then I'm really going to take off. Once the kids get out of school, then I'm going to focus on this. Once the kids get back into school after the summer break, then I'm going to do it. After the holidays, then I'm going to make it happen. Now, here's the thing. People do a lot of talking, and one side of proclaiming what you're going to do is very good. Telling the world what you're about to do, telling them something that you haven't done yet. That's a very healthy thing because it will hold you accountable to those statements. But don't get stuck there. Don't stay in tomorrow. You've got to, at some point, move from tomorrow to right now. Move from the action that you're going to do on Monday to right now. Not even today, because that gives you all the time until the end of the day. You've got to move your clock. When you think about, here's one thing I need to do. I need to schedule more appointments. I'm going to do that right now. Right now. The first available moment I have to do it, I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to start right now. I'm going to get moving right now. Because a lot of you are listening to this stuff, and that's great. Listening is great. Understanding is even better. Action is even better than understanding. You can have the most knowledgeable person in the world, but if they keep saying tomorrow, 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 they're never going to get the results that they're looking for. So guess where most of the learning and most of the real understanding comes from? In the doing. A lot of people think that they understand network marketing, and they can never understand what it is that you do every day because they've never done it. You understand really on a cellular level when you do it. And if you continue with action, you'll start to get results from those actions. Because it's not just in the doing once, it's the doing and then refining, doing again and then refining. Getting better every single day. Understanding that you can't look good and get better at the same time. Being willing to be uncomfortable. Being willing to get outside of your comfort zone. Being willing to go from a tomorrow person to a right now person. That's what I want for you. So utilize that today. Pick something that you know you need to do, you're capable of doing, it's possible to do right now, and just drop everything and do it right now. And when you do, post in the comments below. Let us know, let the world know what you did, not what you're about to do. All right? That's our show for today, ladies and gentlemen. My wish for all of you is that you decide to become a network marketing professional, that you decide to go pro, that you decide to walk away from someday and embrace today. It is a stone cold fact. We've got a better way. Now let's go tell the world. Everybody have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye. Tomorrow, get it?